Given the following two tables, tab RAABBCCDE tab RAABBCC, which of the following queries returns the following result set? Reval, E. Option A. Select R1 as retrieval from tab 1 intersect select R2 as retrieval from tab 2. Option B. Select R1 as retrieval from tab 1 except select R2 as retrieval from tab 2. Option C. Select distinct R1 as retrieval from tab 1, tab 2 where R1 R2. Option D. Select R1 as retrieval from tab 1 union select R2 as retrieval from tab 2. The correct answer is option B. In which of the following situations would DB retain resources associated with a transaction at commit time? Option A. A cursor is defined as withhold. Option B. Another user executes the same transaction. Option C. The application program amends during commit. Option D. The transaction terminates abnormally during commit. The correct answer is option A. Given the following two tables, tab C image BC tab CX image CD, the following results are desired, CCCX image ACC-D, which of the following queries will yield the desired results? Option A. Select from tab 1 enter join tab 2 on C1 equals CX. Option B. Select from tab 1 left outer join tab 2 on C1 equals CX. Option C. Select from tab 1 full outer join tab 2 on C1 equals CX. Option D. Select from tab 1 right outer join tab 2 on C1 equals CX. The correct answer is option D. An application needs a table for each connection that tracks the ID and name of all items previously ordered and committed within the connection. The table also needs to be cleaned up and automatically removed each time a connection is ended. Assuming the items table was created with the following SQL statement: create table items item underscore no int, item underscore name char, item underscore int. Which of the following SQL statements will provide the table definition that meets the specified requirements? Option A. Declare global temporary table tracker as select item underscore no, item underscore name from items, with no data on commit preserve rows and disconnect drop table. Option B. Declare global temporary table tracker as select item underscore no, item underscore name from items, with no data on commit preserve rows. Option C. Create table system.tracker as select item underscore noon, item underscore name from items, with no data on commit preserve rows. Option D. Create table tracker as select item underscore noon, item underscore name from items, on commit preserve rows on disconnect drop table. The correct answer is option B.